Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am sharing this card here. It says wishing you a lovely day, and it's just for any occasion, but I love this stamp set. This one is the Forever Lovely, and I'll show it to you here. So it's this one right here. And this is one of our distinctive stamps, so it gives it more dimension. It's really pretty, and I actually went ahead and added, I don't know if you can see it on here, I added another flower on these three right here, but you can definitely do it without if you just want to keep it simple. So this is what I'm sharing today. So you are going to need Thick Whisper White, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4. This one is 5 1/4 by 4, and then this is 3 3/4 by 5. So that's what we're stamping on right there. All right, so I am using Granny Apple Green and Poppy Parade for this card. You can choose the colors that you like. And then I'm going to use Memento Black for the sentiment, which I'm going to stamp first. And I love this. This is a really nice big sentiment, and it's very nice to have that as the focal point. Although the flowers are gorgeous on this stamp set. So we are going to use that. And then I'm doing one of the larger flowers, and I'm going to do that one on the bottom right here. And then we're going to do the smaller ones. And you can do as many as you like. I just started going after it, and I just started adding to it. And I really liked that cascade look. And then we're just going to add some of the leaves. Everything is from the same stamp set, so you're only needing one stamp set, which is really, really nice. And it makes it really quick and easy. Let's add some on this side. And you can even go off your stamp set. Or off your card. Sorry if you hear the lawnmower, but my neighbor decided, he always decides to mow, and usually he's working at this time of day. All right, and then we're going to use these little hearts right here with the Poppy Parade, and we're going to just add them different areas. I'm not going to go crazy with the hearts. We'll do one more. No, I think I'm going to leave it just like that, kind of like that. And then there's a little, it almost looks like a little fern. This is just going to dress it up just a little bit. So let's do that one here. You can just put them, you know, where you like them. There's no rhyme or reason to this. I just started just stamping away, and I really love the look of this. So that is going to be it for that part. We are going to leave this open because we are going to stamp some of the other little flowers, but you can see that you can just leave this card just like this, and it'd be just as nice. I just wanted to add a little bit of interest, so I'm going to stamp a couple of these. And it does have framelits for the larger one, but it doesn't have framelits or dies for the smaller. So I am going to quickly fussy cut these. And I'll speed through the video since I'm sure you don't want to sit and watch me fussy cut. Okay, so we have all 3 pieces cut out there. I'm going to grab my dimensionals and we are going to add that. Actually, before I add them to there, we're going to adhere it to our Poppy Parade that's going to go underneath this. It'll be easier to do before we add these flowers. Alright, let's scoot those aside just for a second there. And we'll grab our Poppy Parade. And I'm going to just use some snail for this, so we are going to attach that. And then I'll attach it also to our card base. Like I said, you can leave it just like this and it would really be nice. But I just wanted to step it up just a little bit and add these for dimension, and it's really fun. And I'm only adding it, I'm not adding it to everyone. Just adding it to those 3 right there. Alright, so there you have it. It's all ready to go. Here's the other one. And I really like it. It comes out different every time you do it, because you know you can add, I added more hearts on this one, which I could have actually added a couple more probably on here, but I really like the way it turned out. I hope you do too. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye.